Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle and here is MimiFX. This channel is dedicated to help single traders in one way or the other to navigate their way through trading without losing much money, right? Without losing money at all. It's actually possible. All you have to do is to leverage on my experience. Now this is actually boom and crash, and I want to show you that you can possibly trade boom and crash without indicators, right? Without indicators, with a very simple steps. So you can see my entry, you can see an entry here, you can see another entry here on a pullback are your friends. Pullback is actually your friends. So I'm just going to go ahead to tell you why I entered this trade. Now coming down on the daily, we figure out that the market is presently in an uptrend, right? The market is in a massive uptrend, and going to the daily time frame right here, we figure out that the market also is in an uptrend. So from this daily time frame, we have to identify, I told you in my previous video, what you have to do when trading is identify the trend, number one. Now first thing, the market is in an uptrend, obviously. Number two, you have to identify if the market is in a pullback or the market is in a range. Sorry to forget, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the like the video if this video is anywhere helpful, so that the channel can grow, so that YouTube can suggest this channel to other people, right? And comment below if you have any issue. If you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for checking by, thank you for sticking around, right? So let's continue back into this video. So number two, I said you have to identify if the market is in a run or in a pullback. Now we have, this is what I call run. A run is the market going alongside with the trend. We have a run, a pullback. Now all these are a run, all these are runs, right? All these are run. Why did I call it run? A run is a run unless it breaks the previous high, right? Unless it breaks the previous high. Okay, I figure out that this actually breaks a bit. Can you see it actually breaks with a wick? So we have a run, a pullback, a run, a pullback, right? A run. Now I figure out that the market is now coming down for a pullback. So now I have to predict where the pullback must stop, right? The more the pullback has to stop. Now going to the 4-hour time frame, remember that this is actually the pullback, right? This is actually a pullback. So what do I have to do when I squeeze the trade? If I should use good, remember, first, second, extend to the future, right? You can see it here. When you draw the first, second, you extend it to the future. See the trade coming back into that zone, and I was okay. That is a zone I will be looking out for. Either it gets to that zone and stop, or it gets to this zone, or the market gets to this zone and stop, any which way, but it has to break this first before going. So on the market getting there, I start still going out consolidations, right? So second thing I have to draw, and that point is a point of support. You know, this is the left head, the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. On their shoulders, you can see it back into that spot, and you can see pretty nicely all in that zone. Now you can see the trade actually killing it to the upside. Can you figure out that the trade is actually killing it to the upside? Now these are major confluences, and I told you when I get these confluences met in any trade, I am rest assured it's going to go in my direction, even not going that far, but it's going to hit 50% retracement. Let me show you what I mean. It's going to hit at least 50% retracement before going otherwise. You can see it now, we are in the 50% retracement, so it has to get to this point before going. I figure out that this is a support. This is actually a support turning to a resistance. So I'm going to go ahead now after this video to close all this trade, and you will really know this is 0.5 and this, both of them are 0.5, and this is not a small move. So I'm just going to go ahead after this video now to close all the trades to be rest assured the trade is safe, right? That's it about that. And yeah, you can see then what happened next. Going down to lower time frame, I think I took the entry about 15 minutes or 30 minutes here about. I took the entry there. So after figuring out the market is in an uptrend, then I scaled down to lower time frame to find the perfect entry, because my account balance won't be that, may not be that huge, you understand, to place the trade at 4 hours and bringing my stop loss down below here, right? So you have to look for a sniper entry with your entry strategy at the lower time frame. Now all I'm just trying to say is figuring out the higher time frame trend, it helps a lot and saves strength, saves you money, and when it's going to lower time frame, you know what you're looking out for, right? So I got my entry strategy at the lower time frame, and you can see the trade already skyrocketing to the upside. I just want to make this video quite short before I start closing up the trade, so you can see that you can trade basically anything with the strategy I'm teaching here in this channel. So if this video is anywhere helpful, kindly like the video, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification for more awesome videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. I won't drop my number in this video. You can check my previous video if you need a mentorship for $20. For just $20, you can message me on WhatsApp, and please, when you come to my WhatsApp, go straight to the point, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.